Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're cooking two delicious Sri Lankan dishes that are perfect with rice: a creamy, aromatic egg curry in coconut milk, and a fiery spicy potato stir-fry with crunchy peanuts and vibrant seasoning. These recipes are simple, full of flavor, and perfect for any meal. Let's get started. Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add garlic. Add Bombay onions. Add curry leaves. Add green chilies. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Add 2 teaspoons of chili flakes. Add peanuts. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add potatoes. Add tomatoes, onions, ginger, garlic and coconut milk to the blender. Add 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Add green chilies, pandan leaves, curry leaves. Add a 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. Add a 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds. Add cinnamon. Add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. Add 1 1/4 teaspoons of curry powder. Add 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder. Pour the tomato coconut milk mixture. Add half a teaspoon of salt. Add boiled eggs. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes from around the world. Take care, and see you in the next video.